Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to pin message in Telegram group, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a message in Telegram group, first open up your Telegram app. And before we proceed to the group, guys, you need to make sure that you have an administrator or a level of authority on that group in order to pin message in the Telegram group, guys. After saying that, guys, let's open up the group on which we want to pin a message in Telegram group. And you can see, guys, this is the demo group I had created earlier. So I'll be opening or pinning a chat over here. Now in order to pin a chat, after opening your Telegram group, tap on the message. Let's type in a message. Let's say a pin message. Send a pin message to this group, and you can see, guys, I have sent a message over here. Now in order to pin that message, simply tap on that message once, and this kind of interface will appear on any message you want to pin. Don't tap and hold on it, just tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the pin option available for us just above the edit. Tap on pin message and or the pin, and here it also says to notify all members if you want to notify all of the members, and tap on the pin on this box, and that message will be pinned on your Telegram group. And there, guys, this is how to pin a message in Telegram group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.